Hello crafties, my name is Sandra and I'm the owner of Wallifyer and Whimsy Dreams clipart. In this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create a beautiful quote printable using the new Veronica purple wreath and Canva. I'm using the pro version of Canva, so if you see features that you don't have and you are using the free version, that's it. So I really endorse every creator that creates lots of graphics and maybe have a shop or something to use the pro version, because there are features that are just so wow. But anyway, you find all the links to all the supplies that I use in the tutorial in the description, as well a link to the Veronica in purple clipart wreath. And I'm also sharing the colors that I use so you easily can import them to Canva. So let's get started. First we go here to create a design and click here, and then I will choose this US letter document this time. And I'm going to collapse this menu. And now we start out by a clean file here. And first of all, I go to File, Show Print Bleed. This is important if you are going to apply a background to your design, because it's important that the design or the background go outside the whole of the document, so you can cut off the bleed here. So anyway, in this particular design, I'm not going to apply a background. I'm going to keep it white, as I think it really looks great with the Veronica wreath. So let's import the wreath here. I prepared this and uploaded the wreath here, so I'm just going to click it and it appears here in the design. Now I'm going to nudge it a little bit to expand it. Be sure though not to expand it too much, because we like this white space here surrounding the design. That's just because when we frame it, the frame will go a little bit inside the design, so to speak. So I think you are following me here. I hope so. Anyway, you make sure the wreath is in the center of the design by dragging it a little bit like this. You see when the guidelines are showing you that the design is in the center like this. And now we go to this text tool here, and I'm just scrolling down here to this quote template, so to speak. So this is free, so no worries there. Just dragging it inside the design and nudge it so it is looking great. Like this. I'm going to change the text here to another font. So I am activating it by clicking on it. I go here to this side, and I'm going to use All Standard, and this is also available in the free version, and it looks like this. I'm also in love with the Aruna font, but this is for pro version of Canva, but I will show you the Aruna here. And it looks so adorable with the style of the wreath. But if you don't have Aruna, you just go to All Standard, because that is adorable too. So no worries. You see here, if there's a crown here, then it's for the pro version, and the fonts without the crown is for the free version, like this. And make sure also the author text here is in the Old Standard, so you have the same fonts, or you can go with this beautiful handwritten style. Let's zoom in here so we can see it. Oh, now it's large fonts here, or we have to change this And so we have upper and lower case. Make it a little bit larger so we can see it like this. And now you can of course change this to your own quotes. So you just erase this and then you're adding your quote here. Create something beautiful every day. I prefer to keep it with this old standard and making it a little bit smaller like we had it before, like this. And now it's important that you, let's zoom out, that you center this so it looks great with the wreath. We can enlarge it a little bit like this. And always zoom out to make sure it looks beautiful. I like my text to have my favorite brown color, and I will drop the color in the description as well, the hex color. Oh, like this. And the hex color, you find it here in new color if you have not the pro, because I have the pro version, so I can add my own favorite colors here. Hex code here in this field here, so just paste it like this and you will get this beautiful brown color as well. Be sure to also use it on the author text here so that it doesn't get black, you know. So this is super simple, and you know, you can always activate the wreath and activate the quote as well, like this, and now you can drag it into the middle of the design. And you do so by clicking on the wreath, then hold the shift key and also clicking on the quote, and now you can move it around like this. And when you are going to print this beautiful quote, you go to this arrow up here in the upper menu, and I suggest you are using the PDF print, as this is for printed products, and you get this in 300 dpi, so it will look beautiful when printed in your printer. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'm also gonna share this template in my Etsy shop. So if you're in a hurry and you don't have time with all this designing thing, I will upload a template so you can just go in and fill in your quotes if you're in a hurry. And if you want to learn more about Canva, then you can also enroll in my Printables class, and in that class I'm going to show you all my secret tips and tricks how to create printables using the free version of Canva, and how you can, you know, create different kinds of file types, and how you can change colors of your clip arts and such, even if you have the free version. So anyway, you find a link to that class, to my class, in the description as well. And if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you really like this, and if you create a wonderful wreath using this tutorial, I love to see it, so go and post it in the Facebook group. You find the link below. So have fun, crafties. Take care. Bye bye.